let us learn how to add details of your successful projects to your website. Log into the Boost app and tap on Website on the bottom navigation. Under the Content section, you will find the option to add projects and teams. Tap to continue. On the next screen, select the Projects Listing option. Tap on the Add a Project option on the screen. In this section, you can list the project details like the client name, the category, project requirements, the approach taken to complete the project, the budget, and the completion date. You can also add images of the project and select its current status. Tap on Save to continue. Let's see how the project's detail appear on your website. Tap on the menu and then tap on the About section. Now tap on Projects to continue. You can now see the summary of the project you just added. Now tap on View Case Study to see the details of the project. For quick access, the Add a Project option is also available under the Daily Actions on the homepage.